Heat transfer. What do you mean by heat transfer? Usually, heat always transfers from one object to another object. How it transfers is a matter. There are the three types of heat transfer process available for us. According to the physics, we have conduction, convection, radiation. These all three processes we'll discuss within a short video with small few points. What do you mean by conduction? If when we are supplying heat energy from one object to another object, between them, if any metallic medium is available, so through the metallic medium, the heat energy transfers from one end to another end. Nothing but higher temperature to lower temperature. If it is metallic medium, inside there are the electrons also helps for transferring this heat energy easy manner. Usually the energy always transfers by the vibration of the particles from higher temperature to lower temperature. Higher temperature to lower temperature. Right? But in metals, it is easier because of the electrons availability in valence state of atoms. Okay, conduction is takes place higher temperature to lower temperature due to the contact point. Okay, this happens only in a case of medium. Here we need material medium from one end to another end. Always it is required. Okay, the material mediums are different conductivity also it will have. Depends on the metals. For example, good conductors, some good metals will absorb heat energy very faster. It transfers from one end to another end easily. Here you can see the diagram, three important transfer of heat process, conduction. So here there is no conduction because we have insulated material here. So that's why heat energy cannot be conducted. If you touch here, see, from the water to this container, heat energy is conducting, but whereas not here. Here we have used insulated plastic or other materials, so that's why the heat energy is not transferring. Whereas convection, you see, the hot particles which is absorb the heat energy from the ball, it's rising up. Okay, means in convection, always particles will move upwards because it become weightless, it become less denser, then less denser particle will fly off. And since it flew upward direction, the dense particles will go down. Okay, and but radiation is the only process without medium, with medium, it transfers in all the directions. In all the directions. Conduction happens from higher temperature to lower temperature. Convection happens only in fluids, water, liquids, as well as in gases. Okay, that's why ventilators constructed at the roofs because hot air rises up, through that it will go out. Windows, through the windows, cold air comes into the house or home. Okay, so that is what conduction. Convection. What do you mean by convection? Convection is also process of transfer of heat which takes place only in fluids. Okay, that happens due to the motion of the molecules. In conduction, molecules are at the same position but it vibrates. By the vibration, it transfers the energy. It transfers the energy. But in convection, it is not like that. Molecules gets weightless and molecules will move. Convection continuously in liquids. So hot air rises up, cold air will come down. Due to this only land breezes, sea breezes takes place in the environment due to this convection process. See here, you can see very clearly. Sun is supplying heat energy for the land and ocean simultaneously or parallelly we can say. So but the land rises faster, more absorption due to that it rises air much upwards. So since it rises up, whatever the cold air is there, the cold air will try to move towards this side and the hot air will move towards the seaside. This is the way convection currents takes place, we say. Radiation. Conduction takes place in material medium. Convection takes place in fluids. Conduction from higher temperature to lower temperature. Convection always to sorry upward direction only. Even doop sticks, if you use, smoke rises up always. It will not go size. It rises up. Means that is a convection process. But radiation is only the process takes place in all the directions. That's why sun radiates the heat energy, we say. So without medium also radiation takes place, remember. Heat is transferred through space. That's why from the sun to earth, heat energy is transferring. Okay. This is the way heat comes for us in all the directions due to the process of radiation only. If you keep a hot bowl or bonfire at the center of the room, don't keep any conduction between you and that bonfire, but still you are feeling hotness. That is happened because of the radiation. If it is due to convection in the sense, hot air rising up, no, it is not coming towards side. I'm sitting a side of the room, right? So that's what radiation importance, right? This is all about the heat transfers. Very small, short video. Please like it.